Scoopy Diamond, a Scoopy Diamond, Bang Bamba Wangi, Tony Diamond, Baba, Tony Diamond. Lwandle unkulu imizwa.
Feelings.
Yeah, to those who don't know isiZulu, imizwa, feelings, my feelings. Let's go, man.
Stallion.
Oof, nice. This is a ghetto school straight. Yeah, public. Yeah. Ubona ngamagate abhaliwe lana private angeke.
Why do I believe ukuthi uyangithandawo mina isuthi amajidana mangawo. Why do I believe ukuthi uyangithanda?
You know this video the way akhuluma nangabo ingikhumbuza in each and every class hlezi kunalokho loyi-1 omuhle ukudlula bonke and uyazazi and uyazitshela and unalento ukuthi mina I deserve ukujola nalomfana so angithola.
And then on this one, I think it's a dope concept of taking it to back high school.
Because that's where you go love crazy.
Yeah, and that's where you're still enjoying joy.
Yeah,
and so that's where you're still exploring Tando Kensha.
Shout out to her, man. Shout out to the person who came up with the idea.
Mina isuthi ngilawulwa imizwa.
Uyangichaza ngihlula ukuchaza so I get. If you think zodlala ngawe go forget. Kumchito grand akukho engeke ngikwenze. Mina ngifuna wena unginike uthando langempela. Bengibona wena inhliziyo igcwala izest. Bese nginawe ngiyakhuleka ngiyarelax like wenza isense. I want you for myself. And if you think ngiyadlala I will say it with my chest. I am blessed. Lento iqale ngathi we could stay as friends. Kwalandela no realize you the best I never had. Bengazi ngisazo catch.
Well, this verse for me, the way it builds up. Njengoba basho mina ngumjito grand. Usually tholuthi lo girl lo esikhuluma ngaye has been through a lot, bamlahla nani and then athole lo mfana once akathi kuye singaba bangani. Then what, let's just give it a try. Then boom, bona bangasafuni ukuhlukana Joe.
Yeah, it reminds me of, we all have these kind of relationship in high school.
Yeah.
Kazi ngingakuthemba cause uthande ngiphuma kulona lungiphulile sengimess like I don't care about the things that they said. Superstar, I care about the things that I read. I care about uthando, I care about ubwen, I care about your love, ungihloniphe as your man, oh God.
Why do I believe ukuthi uyangithandawo mina isuthi amajidana mangawo. Why do I believe ukuthi uyangithandawo mina isuthi ngilawulwa imizwa.
Ikuthanda ngenhliziyo nangomoya ubuhle impatho izotha. Hlala nami ntombi usazobona ukuthi indoda yenze njani mayikuthanda ntombi iqoma. Omalume ngiyathembisa bazokhokha. Bayasola bayabona ngijabulile mengikubona. Akwazi nokhona nshumi nantathu into zakhona. Insuku zami zokuphila ngibe nawe ufindo bopha. Bekezelela ukunderstandwa ukusupportwa. Bungenakho inhliziyo isazophola. Ngaye kubusoka ngakhetha nokuyiqoqa. Wena owenze lokho sithanda sami ngicela ukubonga.
Why do I believe
ukuthi
uyangithandawo mina isuthi amajidana mangawo. Why do I believe ukuthi uyangithandawo mina isuthi ngilawulwa imizwa.
Yeah. After that very good for me so for see too. Cool to the move. And he always act coke with half. Talang yazi ukuthi vele half kuwami lona. Bekangaziva. It's nice. It's a nice
It's nice.
concept.
It's nice. He doesn't rap much. It's easy. It's simple. It's
just
straight
a
to the
love song.
point. And the music video accommodates what the subject matter. So
Mhm.
yeah, it's good.
Other than that, die. Tell me about your first love, true love, your high school, if you had any. Thanks for watching. See you on another one.